talking and interacting with so many aspiring filmmakers?
It's good, it's always refreshing. I always, when I talk to them, I try to tell them what not to do. Because often a lot of people make mistakes. When you're young and you're raring to go, everyone tends to do things that they think is right, but actually does not function and does not work in the long run.
Have workshops and such sessions with filmmakers helped you in the past when you were
It has
trying
always
to...
helped me because when you do workshops and you talk to them, you also come to know more about what you are doing wrong. Sometimes what happens, somebody says that and when you hear somebody's story that they tried to meet you or they tried to do this, you also realize that there's something wrong with our system, that you miss meeting somebody who's talented enough. Like there's one script that I realized, I saw a film and it was an amazing script, and I said that, wow, what a film. What else are you writing? That writer told me that he sent me the script for 2 years, and when I did not pay attention to it or responded to that writer, she gave it to somebody else. And that's when I realized I need to pay more attention to read at least everybody's scripts.
Right.
You know?
Anurag, this was certainly a very enriching experience for the people, but how about for yourself,
For me also it's very enriching because it also keeps you grounded. You also know where you started from, you know where you come from. And I do these sessions also just to not ever lose sight of who I used to be earlier on.
Right. Anurag, there was, apart from Ugly that we spoke about in the session, there was also talk about PK. And PK, you are someone who is like the, flag bearer, or so as to say, spearheading independent cinema and freedom of expression. And PK, when it released, it's been lambasted and received a lot of flack from right-wing supporters who have registered an FIR for Amir Khan and Rajkumar Hirani. What do you have to say about,
See, it's a very simple thing, it's like anybody who is shown the mirror will always feel offended by the film. Anybody who's shown the mirror will be offended by the film. But amazing thing about it is like it's so clever that it clearly, it has done so well that anybody who stands up and says it offends me, it shows them that, the film was right about them. So I think it's Raju and everybody, they're the bravest filmmakers. Because they went and took something head on that हम लोग सब डरते हैं करने से आज के समाज में, आज के माहौल में, and he's done it with such good humor and fun that it is reaching out, and it is reaching out to who it should reach out to. So I completely think, and I think it's high time we stop getting so offended all the time, and our offense being politically motivated, and we let things be, and we allow every kind of debate and dissent to exist within our society.
Right. Anurag, another issue that's grappling with a lot of politics of the system is, Sanjay Dutt, he's come out of furlough today, and there's always so much talk about celebrities, being lenient, government or the system being lenient towards such celebrated figures. What do you have to say about
See, I have no idea about that case. I would not comment on that, and I would desist from commenting because I don't know why he is out or whatever, and whether there was a leniency involved or not. So I would desist to comment on something like that because anything can be misconstrued as anything else today.
Right, right.
Anurag, the year is coming towards an end. What were your favorite, let's say, 2 to 3 films that you loved?
There are lots of good films. I saw Miss Lovely, Haider, Queen. Queen was my film, so I should not say that in a way, indirectly. Haider, there was Titli I saw, which I liked very much. Aankhon Dekhi was very good. The Marathi film Fandry, there was Tamil film Jigar Thanda. बहुत सारी फिल्में जो अच्छी हैं इस साल.
Also, Anurag, Priyanka spoke to us a little bit ago, and she
Why are you asking me questions about other people?
No, I'm getting to the point. She said that, in the award season, in the past, there were so many good female performances, like Kangna's and Queen.
This year has been very good year for female
yeah,
performances,
exactly,
yes.
that's what she said. But it seems to be that in the award season, a lot of popular films, so as to say, are getting ahead, and the male performances are still slightly more celebrated than the really good female performances who probably deserve much more recognition. Do you think so?
See, I'll tell you, this is something that has been going on for years. For me, it's not a surprise. But I think slowly, the good performances are slowly being recognized. So hopefully this year they will be. Because this year, it is so obvious, because if they don't recognize these good performances, I think people will obviously talk about it a lot. I think it will change. These things, see, every change is slow and gradual. It has been, the whole country has been about celebrating stars and celebrities. So it is also gearing towards more content and more substance. So awards will also gear towards that. Awards just follow the mood of the country.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.